And turning now to the pandemic in St. Louis, there are more cases of the COVID virus in area hospitals.
Thursday saw the largest single day of cases since late September. In fact, over the last week, 380 people have flooded into hospitals for COVID treatment. The last time we had more than 500 people hospitalized for COVID or suspected COVID was September 18th. We've only had 346 discharges in the last 7 days.
Well, local leaders say the new variant of COVID-19 will result in an uptick of cases in the St. Louis region.
Fox 2 medical reporter Dan Gray joining us with that story and new warnings from the pandemic task force. Dan.
And local leaders say one thing is for certain. The one case of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus discovered Friday in St. Louis City won't be the last in the region. What's not certain is how serious the virus may be.
It does have a great many mutations, more mutations than previous variants, and that's not a good sign.
St. Louis County Executive Dr. Sam Page says there are still a lot of questions about the new Omicron variant. Is it more contagious than the Delta variant? Does it cause a more severe illness? Will the current vaccine be effective against the new variant? No answers yet, and Page says that fact is causing a lot of anxiety. The county executive again decried the political divide over COVID.
The clash between politics and public health continues, and misinformation jeopardizes the safety of our most vulnerable. I ask you to tune out the noise. Encourage your elected leaders to make the choices that will help us end this pandemic and continue your responsible actions.
What we're seeing now may be more mild disease, but is that true as all the data is collected? I think that still remains to be seen. Even when Delta first appeared, it was thought that Delta was causing more severe disease in children. But as the data was collected over time, it was found that that was not to be the case.
Now, doctors say that getting vaccinated and wearing a mask are the two keys to winning the battle against COVID and the Omicron variant. Dan Gray, Fox 2 News.